Baby girl, no. Baby girl, no. Like, they didn't even try. What that is, I don't know. What's up, guys? It's your girl Slay Paris here, and today I'm doing a quick review on Copycat Beauty. If you haven't heard of this brand, it is basically sponsored by Bhad Bhabie, aka Danielle Bermuda, or I don't know her last name, aka the Cash Me Outside girl from Dr. Phil. So I've never even heard of this company, but a bunch of you guys ran into my DMs asking me to test out their products to see the quality of it, if it's good, if it's worth the money, and all that. But basically, Copycat Beauty is exactly what it sounds like. It's copycat beauty. They basically take bigger brands and recreate their palettes, their highlighters, their everything, and make it a lot cheaper for their consumers without the name brand on it. So essentially what they're trying to do is provide you guys a cheaper alternatives for your favorite makeup brands and products. And the first thing that caught my eye, which made me kind of giggle a little, was their logo, the Copycat Beauty logo. This is what the logo looks like. Does that look familiar to some of you guys? Bitch, that look exactly like the Anastasia Beverly Hills logo. Like, this shit is literally Copycat Beauty. So for instance, on the card that they gave me, they show you the NARS palette up here, which retails for $59, and then an alternative with the same colors for $8.99 on their website, which is kind of what AliExpress does. AliExpress has a bunch of like fake knockoff items that you can get, so it's kind of like AliExpress, but a lot faster, I guess you could say. By the way, I didn't do my eyebrows, so don't make fun of my eyebrows. It's not filled in. These are my natural brows. Look. Nothing. See? I didn't fill them in today. Please leave me alone. So essentially, you're saving 85% when you buy the fake version of this NARS palette. So I grabbed a couple of things from them, and we're gonna swatch them and try them out together today, and I'm gonna tell you guys at the end of the video if I think it's good or not. Now, the only concern I have about Copycat Beauty is, like I said, it's kind of similar to the fact that AliExpress has a bunch of like knockoff designer makeup brand palettes and items and stuff like that, and the problem with that is they use ingredients that are actually a lot cheaper and sometimes not as safe for your skin. So it's kind of a, like, for me anyways, I don't know, I'll check other packaging later, but for me anyways, it's kind of a risk to be using it because it may be damaging for your skin. They may have ingredients in the products that could be harmful for your skin or for your eyes, so you have to be really careful when you buy brands that are knockoffs of other brands. If you want to try something new, I personally would suggest that you buy a new brand, but not a knockoff of a brand that already exists, or save up the money to buy the actual item. But that's just me. I literally bought these things for you guys because you guys asked me to test them out for you. I probably won't be using them, but I want to give you guys my take on the entire brand and everything. Well, first of all, let's start off with this card, okay? We're gonna start off with the card. I know it's not a product, but let me just say something. You guys can't see from the camera, but the quality of these images are really bad. Like, I don't even think this was saved in JPEG file or nothing, honey. This palette looks super, super cheap. It looks like, you know when you get junk mail flyers in your mail and like the picture looks grainy and like pixely? That's what it looks like in real life. It's very bad quality, okay? And the back here, where it tells you where you can get 10% off and all that, has a sticker that says follow us on Instagram. It's literally a sticker. Like, I could peel it off right now, but I just thought that was weird because, like, did you guys forget to add that on your card, so you just put a sticker over it? But it's literally a sticker. Look. Wait, hold up. There's something under the sticker. What does it say under the sticker? Hold up. What does it say under the sticker? Follow us on Instagram at Copy Beauty Official. And then this one says Copycat Beauty. Oh, so I guess they changed their Instagram name, so that's why they had to put the sticker over it. Regardless, y'all should have made a brand new card because this looks mad ghetto. Mad ghetto. Okay? But I ain't gonna judge them off of that. I'm just pointing something out. I ain't gonna judge them off of that. We're gonna judge them off of the products and the payoff and all that. So, let me get my swatch arms ready. Let's dig into this. By the way, Bhad Bhabie, aka Cash Me Outside Girl, she got $900,000, basically $1 million, to have her face as Copycat Beauty's like ambassador, which is huge. I'm super proud of her. I'm not even a fan of her, but that's a very big accomplishment, and I am not going to knock her hustle. That is amazing. My girl, get your coin, get your money, get it all. Get it all, sis. So the first items I got were makeup brushes. I got a blending brush. This is supposed to be a knockoff of the Marc Jacobs brush. A little pointy brush and another brush. Okay, they're brushes, okay? And you can actually customize your names on them. As you can see here, it says Paris Tools. I'm totally joking. No, you can't customize your name. You can't. It just says Paris on it, which I thought was pretty cute. I like that. Hey. But let me just say, before I even tried these, they seem like really good quality. Not high quality, but good quality brushes. Like, none of the hairs are coming off when I touch them. The bristles feel very good quality. Everything seems intact. It doesn't seem like it will break anytime soon, so that's always a plus. This brush is my favorite. It's so dense, which I know is gonna spread my foundation with full coverage, and I'm excited to use this. I could just feel it already. Like, it feels amazing. They don't have any weird chemical smell to them, because sometimes if you buy AliExpress brushes, it will smell like glue, which means that it is not intact in there. It will, all of the bristles will fall out eventually. This seems like it's actually made with really good quality hairs. I don't know what kind of hair it is. I don't know if it's synthetic. I'm not sure, but everything seems in place and seems to be working well. I'm gonna leave a note in the description after I use all of these tomorrow and let you guys know how I like how they apply. But from just looking at them and touching them and feeling them, they seem super high quality. And if I try these and I like them out, I'm probably gonna get every single brush from the website, because these are super inexpensive and seem like really good quality. The next thing I got were these two glosses, and I'm pretty sure these are knockoffs of the MAC lip glasses, which is why I got them, because I love MAC's lip glasses. They're my favorite lip glosses. And this is a real MAC lip glass. So the packaging is pretty similar, just a black top with black writing. The lip glass is just a little bit shorter. So I actually want to do a swatch comparison between the real MAC lip glass and the knockoffs, so we can see the differences or similarities. The MAC lip glass is very glossy. It's very just shiny, and that's why I love them. And it smells delicious. I don't even know what it smells like. It smells like some type of dessert. So this is the original MAC lip glass. Yes, I have hairy arms, I know. And this already looks very cracky. Oh yeah. I'm never gonna put these on my lips. I'm never gonna put these on my lips. Oh my gosh. This smells, it smells like paint. It smells like crayons. It smells dangerous. I'm sorry. It smells dangerous. It smells like chemicals. I was gonna try it on my lips, but I honestly don't feel comfortable putting it on my lips, but I will swatch it for you guys. So the way swatch is, it's not very clear. It's almost opaque, kind of, but it is marketed as a lip gloss. But as you can see, it kind of just looks like a sheeny lipstick, kind of. Like, it's very opaque. You see how on the lip glass you can tell that when it's on your lips that you're gonna still see your lips? This one looks like you're gonna need a lip liner in order for you to not look crazy. But again, I'm not gonna put this on my lips because it smells very chemically. Like, it's bad. It smells like crayons. It smells like alcohol. It smells gross. I'm so sorry. I'm just gonna be honest with you guys. And this is the other lip gloss from Copycat Beauty. Why did it just sound like that? Listen to this. Bitch, am I sharpening it? Like, what's going on? Let's swatch this one too. Not, oh yeah, never mind. I smell it. I smell it. It's not as strong, but it's still there. It smells like a brand new Barbie doll, like a baby doll. You know when you're a kid and you popped off the baby doll's head and like the inside was hollow? You smelled in it? Like, it smells like brand new, made in China. That's what it smells like. But those are the swatches. Both of these are very opaque, and I wouldn't consider them, well, yeah, you could consider them glosses, but they're not like the lip glass. The lip glass is just sexy and like transparent. It still shows your lips. For these two here, you're gonna need a lip liner in order to look not crazy. So keep that in mind if you're planning to purchase these. And so far, none of the items have ingredients on them. Wait, I lied. This one has the ingredients on it, but it's on the plastic. But the ingredients are there, so that's good. You can look it up on the internet to see if they're harmful for the skin or the body before you purchase. Hopefully it's on the website as well. But these bad boys here are supposed to be a knockoff for the Stila liquid lipsticks. So size-wise, they're all the same size, as you can see there. And I actually love the Stila liquid eyeshadows. Like, they're really cool toppers, and if you just want a quick makeup look, you can just literally swipe it on and go about your business, you know what I mean? So let me swatch this one for you guys. This is the real Stila one, which is jam-packed with glitter and is very, very boop in your face. That's what it looks like. Beautiful. And let me swatch both of these liquid glitter eyeshadows. Not bad. And this one doesn't smell too chemically. It smells normal. It smells like the Stila one. And let's swatch the purple one. Oh! Oh, I love this. Oh my gosh. I friggin' love this. Wow. Okay, guys. This one, these liquid eyeshadows, there go. There go. I'm actually gonna use these in my everyday life. This one especially, this purple, wow. I'm gonna go back on the website and see if they have other colors like this because the pigmentation is unbelievable. Let me show you. Y'all, I friggin' love this. The only thing about the glitter one is it kind of leaves like a little stain that the Stila one doesn't, but regardless, it's really good. It's a little patchy. The gold one is a little bit patchy, but it's still good. I would use it. And that purple though, wow! That purple, I'm here for it. So these liquid eyeshadows are a go for me. The lip glosses, I'm not gonna use them personally, so I'm gonna say it's a no for me, but to each his own. The next thing I'm gonna be unboxing is, I'm not even sure, let's see. Ambience. Okay, so this is a knockoff for the Hourglass highlighter palette, and these are supposed to be highlighters. I never bought this highlight set from Hourglass, but I always wanted it. I always swatched it at Sephora, and it's very, very pigmented. A lot of like glisten, like it'll give you a glow. So I'm excited to swatch these and see what they look like. I'm also gonna apply some to my chin. That's because I got a whole lot of highlight on right now. So I'm gonna swatch it on my chin and see what happens. But first, let me swatch it on my arm. Baby girl, no. Baby girl, no. Y'all, I don't know if y'all can see it or not, but these are the swatches. And I gave them a good rub. You guys can't even see it. You guys cannot even see it. And on top of these swatches being absolute shit, there's no glow. There's absolutely no glow. I don't see any type of shimmer, no type of glow, no type of anything. There's not even a sparkle. Like, they didn't even try. Bitch, I'm gonna put this on my chin just to see. Just to see what's gonna come up. Oh, okay, so we're just adding chalk to the chin. The next step in this beauty video is to add chalk to the chin because, bitch, look, I just developed 2 pimples just now on camera. Is that a first? A pimple just appeared on camera for the first time in history, bitch. What? Let's swatch this darker color over here on my face. Nothing. Literally nothing. I'm not even going to continue. Let me wipe this off real quick. No, I'm not even going to continue. Do not waste your money on this. Do not waste your money on this. This is absolute garbage. This is BS. This is bullshit. This is the worst makeup product I think I've ever seen, purchased, or even knew existed in my life. Like, this is a no. I wouldn't even give this to my worst enemy. This is horrible. This is horrible. I have nothing else to say. Nothing. The next product I have here is, I'm not sure again, but the bag actually says ingredients, so that's always a plus. Like I said, you can Google it and see if any of the products are dangerous for your skin. Okay, so I actually really wanted this. I'm sorry, you guys, if I keep looking over to the side. I bought this new viewfinder and I just keep looking at myself, but I need to learn to look in the camera. So I apologize off the bat, okay? I'm sorry. So I actually wanted this. I saw it on the website and I really wanted this blue because I don't think I have a blue that's that vibrant and bright, this royal blue here. I'm not sure what palette this is supposed to be mimicking, but you guys sure will know. So leave in the comment section down below and let us know what palette they are mimicking in this bootleg version. And I didn't tell you guys about the construction of the palette. The construction of the palette is shit. You can see the magnet, which is not attractive. You can see the creases in it, like it's just poorly made. Another magnet down here. You can see exactly how it's being made. You can see exactly how long the mirror is. It's just very poorly made. But for the price, it doesn't really matter. You know what I mean? You're paying like $8. I don't expect them to give you high quality palettes. You know what I mean? Look at the front. what that is. I don't know. Anyways, let me swatch these for you guys. Right over the palette that I just swatched because there ain't nothing there anyways. Ooh, these are creamy. All right, so here are the swatches. They're not horrible. They're a bit chalky. They're not exactly my cup of tea. But for the price, if you're like beginning in makeup and you're trying to save a lot of money, I'd pick it up. Why not? The potential is there. You could probably build it. I'm pretty sure it's buildable. If you're trying to save some coins and you want bright colors, use it. I'll probably use this. I'm probably going to use this one for the blue because it's not horrible, but it's also not good. But like, if I need it, I'll use it. So this one is a go. The next product we have, okay, so I know what this is a dupe for. This is a dupe for the Kat Von D palette. I think it's an older palette actually, or I could be wrong. It could be a newer palette, but the colors are all the same. And I know Kat Von D's eyeshadow pigment, so let's see if it matches up. Yeah. So for some reason, my camera, I don't know, it just didn't save the footage that I did, so it kind of stopped right here and continued on in the end. But anyways, what I discovered that was not captured on camera, at least I can't find it in my SD card, was I put this purple that I was loving, I put it all over my lids, right? It looks beautiful and vibrant on my hand, but once I put it on my lids and I tried to spread it now, the pigmentation, not only did it disappear, but it started to look like this. Not good quality like I thought it would be. It's just a no. It's a no. And then I used this brush as well to apply on my lids, which you're gonna see in the next clip. And all the bristles in this bitch was all over my nose and shit. Like, what? So the brushes are a no. This is a no. And then the swatches from this, I'll swatch it live for y'all. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 are hella patchy, hella garbage, hella a no-no, okay? So quick update, the brushes that I thought were gonna be bomb are shit. And the liquid eyeshadows that I was gagging over because I thought they were amazing are absolute shit. So, at the end of the day, all of this was shit. Don't waste your money. Do not waste your money, okay? Now, continuing on to the last clip that I had on my SD card. Let's get it. Danielle better catch me outside. She better catch me outside because this is not it. It's not. Catch me outside. How about that? Cash me outside. How about that? Quick update. I was just about to put these things away and my arm is itchy. Like super itchy. I don't know why, but swatches from other companies don't make my arm itch like this. This is ridiculous. I don't know what's going on. I don't. Maybe I'm allergic to it. I don't know, but this don't feel too good. I'm about to go take a whole bath because of this. Goodbye. So my SD card also lost my outro. So I'm gonna say bye to y'all here, okay? Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Leave a comment down below and let me know if you've tried anything from Copycat Beauty. If you're planning to try anything, let me know if you got anything, if you liked it, if you agree with me, if you disagree with me. Let me know in the comment section down below. Make sure you follow me on Snapchat, Twitter, and Instagram. All that jazz in the description box down below for your convenience. Me and my fiance started a vlogging channel where we vlog our everyday lives. It's actually very interesting. So if you want to check that out, it's going to be in the description box down below. youtube.com/ParisCam. I also started a Let's Play channel for The Sims 4. youtube.com/PlayParis. So if you're interested in that, check it in the description box down below. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Toodles!